Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Chef Ginger and the Valentine's Day Feast. In the heart of the cozy little village, Chef Ginger's kitchen was buzzing with excitement. Valentine's Day was here, and she had planned a special feast for all her friends. She put on her chef's coat, dusted flour off her whiskers, and checked her list. Meow-mazing! Today we'll make heart-shaped treats, a warm, cozy soup, and a surprise dessert, she purred happily. Just as she gathered her ingredients, her friends Benny the Squirrel, Poppy the Bird, and Ollie the Owl walked in. "Ginger, we're here to help," Benny said, his fluffy tail twitching. "Perfect! Cooking is always better with friends," Ginger smiled. The Valentine's Day feast begins first. They made heart-shaped berry pancakes. Heart-shaped berry pancake recipe ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg, 3/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Cooking instruction 1. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. 2. Pour the batter onto a pan in heart shapes. 3. Flip and cook until golden brown. 4. Top with honey and extra berries. As Ginger flipped the pancakes, Benny tried to make a big heart but ended up with a squiggly shape. "Oops," Benny giggled. Ginger laughed. "It's okay, Benny. Every heart is special." Next, they made a warm tomato love soup, a perfect dish for a chilly Valentine's Day. Warm tomato love soup recipe ingredients: 4 ripe tomatoes chopped, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 small onion chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/2 cup cream, 1 teaspoon basil. Cooking instruction 1. Cook tomatoes, onion, and garlic in a pot until soft. 2. Blend everything until smooth. 3. Stir in cream and basil. 4. Serve warm with heart-shaped croutons. Ollie the Owl carefully cut heart shapes out of bread and toasted them. "Look, Ginger, tiny crunchy hearts," Ollie hooted. "Meow-mazing, they're adorable," Ginger purred. "The sweet surprise dessert." Finally, it was time for the Valentine's chocolate mousse. Valentine's chocolate mousse recipe ingredients: 1 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon honey. Cooking instruction 1. Melt the chocolate. 2. Whisk in cream, vanilla, and honey. 3. Chill for 1 hour. 4. Top with strawberries. Poppy the bird fluttered around, adding little heart-shaped strawberry slices on top. "Now it's ready," Poppy chirped. A feast full of love. Ginger and her friends set the table with pink napkins, flower decorations, and heart-shaped candles. Everyone took a bite of their feast and smiled. "This is the best Valentine's meal ever," Benny squeaked. "It tastes like love and friendship," Poppy chirped. "Cooking together makes it extra special," Ollie hooted. Ginger purred happily. "That's because the best ingredient is love." And from that day on, Chef Ginger's Valentine's Day feast became a tradition, full of delicious food, laughter, and the joy of friendship.
Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let the adventures begin. Love unicorns and magical adventures? At Birthday Magic Adventures, we create whimsical unicorn birthday stories where every child is the hero. Discover enchanted kingdoms, flying unicorns, and birthday surprises. Watch now on YouTube at Birthday Magic Adventures.